Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix TikTok search not showing videos. So for example, you launch and you have updated your TikTok application, yet if you search something such as video, it's kind of hard for you to search that or it's not showing here. So what you're going to do if you encounter this is you just have to click these three lines and then go to settings and privacy. Now here you have to scroll down, click log out. So you have to log out and then log in again and see if this method worked, and you can search a video here on TikTok. If not, then you can proceed to the next method, and that is to go to your settings, phone settings to be exact. Go to app management, tap app list if you're using an Android, and then here you have to search for TikTok and then tap this one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to click uninstall. So you have to uninstall this TikTok application, tap OK. And then once done, you can go back to your Google Play Store if you're using Android or App Store and then install this TikTok again. So after that, you have to launch your application or you have to log in and see if this method works. So I'd really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channels and see you again in our next videos.